Okay, in this video we're going to look at red eye removal. So we clearly have a picture here and this little girl has red eyes. So what I'm going to do is pick up the red eye removal tool. It's located here, so if I right mouse click you might see that you have the spot healing brush tool to start with. Just right mouse click, go through and pick up the red eye removal tool. All you have to do is just bring it so you have the cross right on the red part of the eye. Make sure you do select just the red part of the eye and then just click. And when you do that, it instantly goes on and removes the red eye and replaces the pupil with a sort of the black colour that you should have. If you wanted to change the amount of blackness, you can come up here and change the darken amount. It's currently set to 50%. I find that's generally alright. So red eye removal is really easy. Just make sure that you click exactly on the correct part of the eye. If the eyes are quite small and you can't quite get in the right place, you can always do a Control Plus, which is to zoom in, and then hold down the space bar to move so that you get exactly on the right part of the eye. Control 0 will fit back to screen. Okay, I'm just not going to save that one. So what happens with animals when you have different colour eyes? Like this little puppy's got blue eyes. So if I just do a Control Plus to zoom in here and then move around, I've got my red eye removal tool. If I go and click on the blue of the eye, it does absolutely nothing. And that's because this tool is set to pick up red, and there's no red there, so it's not going to do anything and work on it. So what we can do is we can do our selective colouring. So I know that these are blues, so if I switch to here and just choose the blue channel rather than using the RGB, just go into blues, what I can do is I can use my hue slider and convert those blue eyes to red eyes. Now you might notice a few other colour changes occurring within the photograph as well. If you wanted to be super accurate, you could make a selection around these to restrict where the colour change is going to occur. So I'm going to change the blue to red, click OK. Now that it's red, I can use my red eye removal tool and I can take out those problems that we had with our puppy. And then you can see here we've corrected that kind of blue eye problem that we had with this dog.